Welcome to the Double Trouble Village State Historic Site in the aptly named Double Trouble State Park. I'm Andrew Anderson, the village historian, and today we're in the cranberry sorting and packing house. Double Trouble Village was the last commercial cranberry farm and company town here in Ocean County, New Jersey. Through about the mid-1960s, families of 30 to 50 migrant workers would come here in the fall during the harvest season and hand-pick cranberries off the vine. They would use cranberry scoops, so wooden box with metal tines that would be raked through the vines to pluck the berries. Then the berries would be loaded in boxes, brought here to the cranberry sorting and packing house, where they would be sorted, separating the bad berries from the good berries, and packaged and shipped to market right from here. Starting about the mid-1960s, this building became obsolete. The technology changed. They started to do the modern water or wet harvesting, flooding the cranberry bogs, going through with a machine that knocks the berries off. The buoyant berries would then float, and then they would be corralled and removed from the bogs. So pretty much overnight, the industry changed, and buildings like this started to go by the wayside. A lot of them were demolished, collapsed. So this is one of the last, if not the last, in the state with the original machinery still intact. And we're fortunate enough to still have it here at Double Trouble Village.